dad, ignore siblings, ignore friends, ignore everybody if you must. As long as you know that the way that you're going is the right way, as long as you feel you must change, you must be different. When you hear someone else telling you, well, this is not the way we're used to doing it, or, oh, this isn't how we usually do it, this is the path you must take. This is a traditional path you must take. You must take. Know that you must do nothing. You must do what you feel is right to do. So if what you feel is right isn't the same as the way they see it to be, or the way that they are used to it being, you don't have to conform. You just go your way. You just do what feels right to do. You just trust yourself, because you're gonna live with the consequences either way.